Aloha guys, welcome to another quick edition of Atort tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to edit video, actually color grade video to be more specific, on your iPhone. This is footage that I've shot on my iPhone 8 Plus. I'm going to go into my app that I use, which is Video Grade. So if you haven't downloaded it, go and do so. It's completely worth the money. I believe it's $5 at that. I'm going to go in the favorites and I'm going to go and get some footage. Let me see. Let me take this one right here. I think this is it. So right now you can go and get familiar with all of the things on the left-hand side. The left-hand side gives you like histogram, readout. You know, you can scrub the video to see different parts of the video when you're color grading or editing. So right now what I'm going to do is be more familiar with the right side. So I mean, you got right here, this is exposure, color balance, color temperature, vignetting, like shadow highlight recovery, sharpening, you know, a bunch of different things. These looks, which I don't go into, noise reduction, you can if you want. I use this a bunch for saturation, and then this for channels. So I'm again focusing and concentrating on color. I'm going to go right now in the saturation, increase the overall global saturation. What this will do a lot of times will accentuate your color cast, which can be good to actually see what's going on. But for now, I think I know this will work well. So what I'm going to do is balance out that move by going in the channels. So right now you can go, the first thing that goes when you're shooting underwater, more specifically, is the red channel, or the red. So that's why I use red filters, etc., etc. So I'm going to increase this a little bit, but what I'm going to do is go down to this blue channel and take out some of the yellow and increase the blue. Now if you see right away, like, looks way better. So it doesn't look as yellow and kind of gross. There's a little bit more color separation. And I could even add a little bit more red. Again, it's your flavor. And what I can do is go and fine tune now in this color balance tool. And you know, I don't like the yellow. It looks better when it's more blue and cooler. And now I can go and maybe add a little magenta into the mix again. Sharpen a little bit. And as you see, looks pretty darn good. And I mean, again, this is just a quick little sample, but I'll show you quickly. This is processing. If it's 4K video, it'll take a little longer. And I can go back into my photo section and you can see. So it went from there. I don't know what the first one was. Let me see what I can do. I'm going to go here, and I think it's in my favorite folder. So go back over here. And as you see, watch. So that's as shot, original. So you see how yellow and kind of warm. It looks like there's pee in the water or something. I can't stand yellow color cast personally. So you go from here to there. Now, to me, there's no comparison on which looks more attractive and better. You got cool blue ocean, you got the fish that aren't yellow, they're silver as they should be. So from there to there, all within a minute, and a really good app, having some idea what you're doing. But again, what you want to be familiar with in this app, which is Video Grade again, is the right side. So again, if we go and get a video, whatever it may be, familiarize yourself with all of this. More specifically, which a lot of people don't go into because they don't know how to do it, but go into channels. And again, this little arrow, if you go and make some kind of really bad mistake and you're like, oh my God, it looks horrible, just hit this little arrow and it will bring you back to default settings. Whoop, there we go. But again, make a move, make one move at a time, and just go before better or after better. If after looks better, keep on going. If it doesn't, revert back and kind of start from there. But again, less is more sometimes. But even there, I just made another move, and that almost looks better than before. So just keep on pushing it until you get to where you want to be to achieve optimal results. So anyway, hope that helps. Aloha, guys. Peace. And again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, trying to build it and do more tutorials. So a lot more is going to be coming at you. Thank you. Bye.